once again to my channel. So if you're new on this channel, my name is Hitkem. I am a makeup artist in real life and I also do makeup here on my channel. So if you'd like to embark on this journey here on YouTube with me, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I upload a video. So without further ado, let's jump right into my video. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and share my video with your family and friends. Let's go viral together. Normally, if you see me do my makeup here on this channel, I skip a lot of process because I want to make the video short. But today's video is purposely trying to show my viewers how I contour my face, or how they can contour their face. Either ways, how you want to take it. My method of contouring. So if you're interested in knowing how I contour my face, let's jump right into it. But before we do that, let me just do my eyeshadows first. I know you are here for the contouring of face, but you can also stick around and look at how I do my eyeshadow. Either ways you gain, and I gain also, of course. So yeah, I'm going to use today as my eyeshadow primer or base is NYX Jumbo Pencil, the white one. I'm going to spread all over my lid. Take a clean brush and you blend it. And today, the palette that I'm going to use is from Makeup Revolution.
Are you all my personal dreams?
You guys know I love bright colors. So these are the two colors that I'm going to use today to achieve my eye look. So these are the glitters that I'll be working with. So I'll do this side, put my lashes on and get right back to you guys. So this is basically today's eye look. Nothing dramatic, just simple. So I am done with the eyes. What I'm about to do is to do a little color correcting because I believe I don't need that much now. My face is a little bit clearer than before. So I'll just do a little color correcting like I said, and then jump into a whole load. To color correct, I'm going to use a darker foundation from L'Oreal. And the concealer that I'll be using is from Makeup Revolution.
Are you all my personal dreams?
When you put the concealer on like this, you have to wait a little while for it to become tacky, not dry, so that it will blend really well and it will give you this full coverage look, if you get what I mean. And I'm going to go in with a more lighter concealer than my shade.
Are you all my personal dreams?
I start blending from here to give this concealer time to be tacky. That's why I start from down here. I'm going to use Black Opal foundation to contour my face. And when I'm contouring my nose, I don't want to like do something that is not real, so I contour from the natural line of my nose. So I will just illustrate it for you guys. First of, this is the brush that I'm going to use to contour my nose. You just see. You see, I follow the natural angle of my nose to contour, and I go into the hollow of my eyes. So this is how I contour my nose. I do this because I want my cheek to be pointed. That's why I just put this little dot here. See that line? And you try to contour upwards, not downwards, so that it will just lift your face, not to suck your face down. And then I go in with my foundation brush to melt the whole thing together. You get what I'm saying? And then I take a fluffy brush to contour my nose. I contour it upwards, not downwards. I feel like this nose is not really straight. So I will just straighten it. You see. So this is how I contour my nose. Then I go in with my beauty blender to melt the whole thing together. Do you get what I'm saying? So this is how I contour and highlight my face. This is the reason why you clicked on this video. Now I'm going to set my whole face. I have this pencil here. That is what I use to really highlight my nose. And then I use L'Oreal Mercier. So to set my contour, I'm going to use NYX contour palette, any darker shade from this palette. Now just set it. I set my whole face. To set my nose, I'm going to use this fluffy brush. And right now I will just sweep off my powder. Do you notice that here is not that whitish?